Plates.
Carlos, and now,
Plates.
yeah, and now, no, that's plate too small. I now have you on record, so you can turn around and say hi, Mr. Carlos, to my camera over the fridge. Just say hi. You're here for Terry 57th birthday. And that's me. Thank you, sir. Enjoy.
Yeah, that's why I'm here.
Thank you. And you're enjoying, I'm going to tell you, you're enjoying Russo, Coribaca. I don't know how to say chow mein in Spanish, but
Chow mein.
it's chow mein.
That's all. Chow mein.
All right, and this is for my YouTube family. I'm just letting you know. Louis, ven acá, ven acá, ven acá. Say hi.
I think he speaks more Spanish than we do.
Say hi.
That's funny.
You are here for my body. I'm
Did he
56.
say it right?
He said, ven acá, like a Puerto Rican.
He said it right.
Yeah, ven aquí.
Ven acá.
Yeah, that's Puerto Rican right there.